What's up guys, it's a girl Cass. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the day after Hurricane Melissa, and I'll be running a few errands on the road. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been posted. So this is the morning after Hurricane Melissa. Just my ceiling got damaged and some water came in. I saw some videos and it's really heartbreaking. My heart goes out to everyone who's been affected, and I just pray that you all get the help that is needed. So this is in my area. There's debris on the road, and a few trees fell down. Yeah, the road is messy at the moment, and it's blocked also, but there wasn't no major damage. These are my dogs, Snow and Ivy. I was concerned about them, but thank God they're okay. this is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.